Alright guys, and there it is, a real quick video on the finished accordion. It looks really nice. The color shifting is excellent. And there it is, guys. Came out awesome. Alright guys, I think the owner has another grill for it, a custom grill also for it, so I'll try to see if I can get you a little video of it also. But there it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave a link below to the video of the accordion where I painted it, so you can go back if you didn't see it, so you can take a look at it. Alright guys, this will be it for this video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the little bell icon, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you the next weekend. Alright guys, enjoy your weekend. God bless.